the morning sun casts a warm glow over Windale Village, where a gentle breeze carries the sweet scent of honey. Elara listens intently as her grandmother shares ancient tales of the forest. Grandmother whispers of a hidden treasure. Beyond the hills lies the Forest of Whispers, where the crystal feather sleeps. Whoever finds it may speak to the creatures of the earth, sky, and water. Elara's eyes sparkle with determination, her imagination ignited by the prospect of adventure. Elara ventures into the Forest of Whispers, her leather satchel hinting at a journey ahead. The ancient trees loom, their silence amplifying the forest's mystery. A creature of myth appears, a glowing squirrel with silver fur and eyes like sapphires. The squirrel speaks, its voice echoing through the silent woods. "You seek the crystal feather. Many have tried. None have returned." Elara responds, her voice firm with determination. "I must try." In a dark clearing, Elara and the squirrel halt before a formidable stone gate, its surface inscribed with a daunting inscription. Elara unslings her satchel, her fingers trembling as she retrieves a compass, a cherished memento from her father. With visible struggle and heartache, she sets the compass upon the cold stone, an offering of her deepest affection. The gate shudders violently, then splits asunder, revealing a valley bathed in an ethereal moonlight. In the heart of this enchanted valley rests the crystal feather, its surface alive with shimmering hues of blue, pink, and silver. The air crackles with magic as the valley reveals its breathtaking secret, promising wonder and peril in equal measure.